Hi, welcome to Bota. I'm Joseph, working in the export department. Today, I will introduce what type of grease is required for different types of reducers. Here, we're looking at the pinwheel reducer for a commonly used environment of temperature between under 20 minus degree and 120 degrees. The reducer requires number 2 lithium-based grease. And for the temperature under minus 20 degrees, it requires antifreeze grease. If used frequently, it's necessary to open the oil injection hole every month to check for oil shortage. For every reducer before shipment, we will inject sufficient grease for you. Here is the Gearbox. This is arm gear reducer as well as gearbox reducer. They both require number 220 gear grease for the using temperature between minus 30 degrees and 130 degrees. The grease window. Every time we inject grease, it's supposed to fill up to the half level of the grease window.